Hello, and in today's short tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can contribute to an ICO on the Vulcanpad.tech platform. So first thing you want to do is navigate to vulcanpad.tech and then simply click on Launch App. Once the application is launched, it will attempt to sign you in. At which point you need to click on Connect Wallet in the top corner. You can use any wallet that you want. For the sake of this tutorial, we will be using MetaMask. Enter your password into MetaMask and then simply confirm. After a while, it will show you your balance in Ethereum up here and which network you're connected to. You can then come over to current ICOs to look at the ICOs that are currently available for contributions. As you can see, there are 3 currently available, and it also shows which network they're on. So this is the Cryptosi DAO Enterprise ICO. This one is a Cryptosi DAO test because it's on Sepolia test network, and this one is also on a test network. As you can see here, it says it's passing, which means that the soft cap has already passed. As you can see here, soft cap was 1.9 ETH, and there's already been 2 ETH entered, and we are going to be entering into this ICO. So we can simply click on View. Here we will get all the information on the ICO. There will be the introductory video, which will explain what the ICO is about, the logo, and plenty of other information here, all put forward by the creator of the ICO. It will also show you who's already contributed, how many contributors there are, and if you click this, you can also get to see who the contributors are, or you can see their wallets. So if there are any key opinion leaders or people who you particularly want to be involved with, you can check to see if they're already involved. But for now, we're just going to back this project. So we're going to back this project, choose the amount of ETH you want to put in. For this one, we're going to put in 0.1 Ethereum, and it shows us how many of the tokens we will be getting. So this time we will be getting 2.6 million tokens, which is 0.0027% of the total supply of the tokens. My current contribution is 0, as I've not contributed to this yet. It will process, and then you simply click confirm. There is a tiny network fee for doing this. I'm contributing 0.1 ETH, which is a value of $257. You can simply click on confirm. Sometimes the network may mess about and you don't get to confirm straight away. Once it's confirmed, it will show you successfully contributed. It shows you the amount, shows you how many tokens you are going to get. Here is your wallet address, and here is the transaction. You can now return to your dashboard. Now, when you go to the My Dashboard area, it will show you the ICOs that you have previously contributed to. And here we can see that I have now contributed to the Cryptosi DAO. So when I go in to check it, if I go to View and I go down to backers, there are now 2 backers. There was previously 1, and one of the backers is indeed my own address with 0.1 ETH. And there you can see it there, and the date and the time in which the contribution was made. And that's all there is to it. So good luck. Make sure you do your own diligence into every project. I will quickly, very briefly show you the best ways to do that. As you can see, the ICO on BlockScan. So what you really want to do is go and check the ICO on BlockScan, which will take you to the wallet, which is the smart contract, or the wallet which is actually holding the ICO. And it will show you what tokens it's holding. So these are the tokens that are going to be distributed. There's only one token there. These are the tokens. So what you want to do is always double check that the tokens being held are actually the tokens that you want to buy. People may make fake tokens and then try to sell them in the future. We'll have a full tutorial on that coming up at a later date. Please check the tutorial section, and well, I'll show you how to make sure that you don't buy the wrong token. Here you can see this is the correct token, as it's got the correct contract for the CRDD token. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and best of luck using Vulcan Launchpad. Bye bye.